Traders, Brian here with A Plus Setups. Hope everyone's had a good trading week so far. It's Thursday, August 14th, 2025. And in tonight's video, I want to introduce you to a trading method and approach that I have used for a very long time, since 2013. And it includes the bottom picker, something you may have seen in one of my earlier videos. But I want to bring kind of the approach and bring it all together for you so you can see how simple and effective this approach is. It's so easy, I don't even think about it. I just execute. And I follow a handful of stocks. Predominantly, I want to take trades in the S&Ps, the SPY, the SPX. I certainly trade, options on the ES futures as well. So this is just a method. When you see it, you're going to be asking yourself, why have I not simplified my trading to this degree so far? So let's get right into it. All right, so you'll see on my screen here, I have 3 charts and a watch list. Now I just have a handful of stocks I like to keep a watch on. I'll add a few every now and then, but this is all I really need to trade options. You don't need 500 option trades in a month. You just need 3 or 4 really good ones to make your month. So let's walk through this and I will show you. So it's a multi-time frame approach, number 1. Now, when we're already in a trend, I like just watching the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour. That's the trifecta for me. When we start going down in the stock market, it's selling off, we start getting backwardation in the VIX products, the term structure gets flipped around, we get down around those 7% to 15% or so, then I switch my time frames and I go a little bit longer. I look at the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour. That's my mix during that time. But once we get in the trend, I go to the daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour, and it works really, really well. So let's break down the components of this. The first, I keep this on the daily, on the 4-hour, and it's a derivative moving average. I'm not going to go into the details of it here, but it's just a derivative moving average. That's component 1. Clear trend, clear uptrend, not even buckling, no ifs, ands, or buts. We're in a bullish trend on the daily. Then we have the color bars. These are what we call the GHL color bars. So they're very responsive and they hold on to a trend very nicely inside of this structure here. The third component, and one of the most important, they all fit together and make a really nice package, but it's the bottom picker. Bottom picker is this device, this tool, which tells us, hey, you may be in a bottom. Look for a move up, a move out. And once I get in here, I will play the GHL color bars. Now these trades here may be shorter term. There's 2 different approaches here. I'm not going to talk about the absolute bottom picker on the daily here because this is my highest time frame, and that's not what this is about. I want to talk to you about using the bottom picker in a trend following mode using multi-time frame analysis. So let's go ahead and pick it up. We're going to walk through a couple of stocks here just so you kind of get the gist of what's going on. All right, no doubt we're in a bullish trend on the daily. Green GHL bars, green derivative moving average, and we get a pullback. So we're over here watching the 4-hour. It's in a bullish trend. It's just a pullback. Then we drip down to the 1-hour and look at what we have. We've got a bottom picker signal in the 1-hour. This is where I want to just jump in. I wait for the GHL bars to turn And if I'm not watching, I've got my watch list up here, so I can see what's triggering on what time frame. And I just wait and just enter with whatever options trade structure you like to trade. For me, I keep it really simple. I'll either do vertical call debit spreads. I may buy calls outright. Just depends on a variety of factors. But it's a bullish option trade structure. I don't deliberate. I don't think. I don't hem-haw around. I'm not looking for fundamental analysis. I'm not looking for what Kramer says. I'm not looking for anything. I just see a bottom picker, bullish trend, green bars. It's go time. Just put the trade on. And this just works really, really well. And, of course, you've got to manage your trade. So we come up, we go back, and we get close right there. Nothing going. No bottom picker on the 1 hour. Here we have the next opportunity. Everything's still in an uptrend, and then we get the bottom picker signal. We get the green bars. Whatever your favorite bullish option structure trade is, just don't complicate it. I mean, this is a very uncomplicated approach. It's lime green, bullish trend, dark green bars, go. It's all it is. It's not any harder than that. Maybe you like to sell put credit spreads. Hey, whatever bullish structure you like to do. That's NVIDIA. Let's go down and check, I don't know, coin. All right, so here we have coin gets into a bullish trend. Pulls back. The 4 hour, you can see the 4 hour is in a bullish trend. The moving average derivative is still green during that daily pullback. And look what we have here. We have a bottom picker. Okay? Just get in green. Just hold on. Bam, there you go. You have another one. Now, do they all work out? No. But, I mean, when you're looking at this, you see your green bar there. I'm an option trader. When I'm trading like this, I'm just trying to get 50% of my max profit. It's not too hard in a structure like this. You're entering on a 1 hour time frame. I'm giving these things at the most 2 to 3 weeks of duration. That's all I'm looking for. So pops like this can usually get some pretty decent moves fairly quickly out of those. But it's just you follow that process. And we get another one right here. We kind of slide out, but we are still bullish right there on the line's green on the daily. So for me, I'm looking to take these buys right in here. There we go again. How about Palantir? Have there been any opportunities to get into Palantir on its ascent up? Well, let's check it and see. Pull back. Almost the bottom picker signal right there. Almost. Let's move on up. Here we have something right there. Yeah, so we have a bottom picker signal right in there. Green bar. We get in and ride that one up. We get another opportunity here to ride it up. Another one here, green bars, ride it up. I mean, it's just, I don't know of anything more simple than this right here. I've been trading for over 45 years and in the options market for the last 13, 14 plus years. Yeah, this is just the most simple approach I've ever seen. I mean, I could sit here and go through every one of these stocks and show you the same thing. It's just a very simple process. It's nothing new, multi-time frame analysis, but I don't know of one any more simple than this. So hopefully this video has helped you out, maybe giving you some ideas to maybe simplify your approach. If you like the products here, check our website is in the links below. You could join if you like this. You want to be a part of the community. I've got instructions in the links below as well. So that is all I have for tonight. Good luck in your trading. This is Brian signing off.